everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney and I'm so excited to finally film my fall coffee recipes. So I'm so excited to do this for you guys. And before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know every coffee drinker is different. Some people like decaf, some people like caffeinated, some people like lots of creamer, some people don't like lots of creamer, lots of sugar, and things like that. So when you're watching this, just substitute or whatever you want to do. If you want to do almond milk or whatever it is, just make it however you'd like. Sometimes in the videos you're going to see that I don't put as much milk or as much creamer or as much sugar or something like that, and it's just because I don't want to have that much sugar, but I will post the original recipe while we do the video, if that makes sense. But anyways, just cater this recipe to however you would like. I know you guys are gonna enjoy these because I absolutely love the way these turned out and I'm really excited to share these with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Wait, before we get into the video, I forgot one more thing. I included a bonus fall drink for the non-coffee drinkers. So if you don't like coffee, I included a chai tea latte that is so sweet and so good, iced or hot. So it's great for this fall season. And if you're interested in that, make sure to hang around for the end of the video. All right, guys, we're starting with the S'mores iced coffee. So the first thing that you'll need is some chocolate syrup. So I'm gonna be lining the rim of this cup with the syrup, and it's actually kind of difficult to do. So if it gets messy, that's totally fine. And also it's okay if some falls into the middle of the cup because you actually do need it. So it's totally fine. Next, you're gonna need some crushed up graham cracker. All I did was actually put a graham cracker in a plastic baggie and crush it. And we're gonna dip that cup into the graham cracker and make a nice little graham cracker rim for our s'mores coffee. Cute, right? Okay. Next, I'm putting in 16 ounces of cold brew coffee. And then I will also be putting in 1/4 cup of creamer. And then after that, I'm topping it with some marshmallows, a little bit of syrup, and then coming in last with the famous graham cracker. Look at that slow-mo. So good. All right, next up, we are making a snickerdoodle latte. So this is the frother I use from Amazon, and I'm also just gonna be using this one, but if you don't have a frother like this, you can use the one from Amazon. I'm starting off with 1 cup of milk, and then also 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and then a bunch of cinnamon because I love cinnamon. After that, I have my espresso, or you can just do a really strong coffee, and then pouring in that hot frothed milk mixture that we made. After that, you can top it with some whipped cream. I don't always do this, but it's just kind of fun for like a picture. And then I usually go in with some cinnamon just because I love cinnamon. I don't know what it is, but I just love it. Next up, we're making a little cheater pumpkin latte because I didn't have pumpkin puree. So this is very easy if you don't have all the ingredients. So I have my coffee. I just put in 1/2 cup of milk and then some skinny syrup. You can get this from Amazon or TJ Maxx. It's like $2. I love it. This one's in pumpkin scone. And then I also have some pumpkin pie spice. After that, I'm just frothing it all together. And then literally that is it. It tastes so good. And I just put some whipped cream and some cinnamon on top of that, or you could do the pumpkin pie spice, and it's really delicious. Lastly, we have a drink for the non-coffee drinkers. So this is the chai latte. It's so fall tasting. It's really delicious. So I have a 1/2 cup of milk that I will be frothing, and this is gonna be cold because I'm gonna make this one cold. I'm also putting in a bunch of cinnamon. Guys, it looks crazy, but cinnamon's good. It tastes so good when it's frothed up like that. And then I have a decaf. You can get Tao's chai latte mix, and I got this from Target. So I'm just pouring it in. It is cold. You can put ice cubes in it, but I don't feel like I needed it for that. And then I'm literally just pouring in the cold milk mixture that is frothed. You can top this if you'd like with whipped cream, but I usually don't, but for this video, because it looks cute, I did. And then I also, guess what? Put some cinnamon on top because it's delicious. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below your favorite recipe that you're excited to try. So if you guys liked it, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I have so many more fall videos coming up or things that are already posted, like my fall home tour. Just so many fun different fall things, and going into Christmas, I've just got jam-packed so many things that are gonna be happening on this channel. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!